afternoon, y'all. I just got almost got everything cleaned up from lunch. I have a little bit in there still. It's not raining, but it's not as sunny as I had hoped that it would be. It is still pretty cloudy out there from time to time. And the weather did say now there's a small chance of a short little shower this afternoon, but we're not surprised. It's okay. Titus and the boys are out there doing yard work, getting pollen out of the gutters, so when it rains again, we don't have an overflow. Sissy put the wax melts in. She likes to do a mixture of the scents. So the scent combo she did this time is strawberry waffle cone, orange buttercream and cupcake, and warm spring sunshine, and I think this one is my favorite. All of these together smell, I mean, they all smell good by themselves, but mixed together, they smell really, really good, like fruity and sweet and sunshiny.
Let's do one.
Sissy already put them in. She put one of each in. She loves to mix up the scents. This one is one of my favorites, whipped vanilla and blackberry. That's what we had in there for a long time before she switched it out to these. It smells so good. I got it, I can't remember if it was last summer or the summer before. They were on clearance, and I can't remember how many packs of them I got, but it's one of my favorites. It smells really good.
Okay. Can I try one time?
How is it?
Good. This won't be really clean. One time I tried before a long time ago, and it was good. So let me go down, down, down. Here's 3.
Alright, y'all, it's a little while later. We are about to make a peach baked oatmeal. This is gonna be for breakfast in the morning. I have this bag of peaches that we got from Aldi. I thought about doing an old-fashioned peaches and cream recipe, but when I asked which one we would want, the oatmeal won, so that's what we're making. We'll put the peaches in this bowl, and then I grabbed this one to mix up the oat mixture here in a minute. We'll be a little bit later than we normally are going to eat this evening, so I wanna go ahead and make this. That way I don't have to make it when we get back. Because on Sunday mornings, I like to, if I can, go ahead and have breakfast ready, or at least part of breakfast ready. Or even have it ready just to go in the oven. As y'all know, we have lots of overnight breakfast things. This one we're gonna go ahead and bake, and then in the morning, we'll just warm it up. These peaches would be perfect for peach ice cream. One of these we're gonna leave the peeling on and cut it into slices to go on top of the oatmeal.
A peach popsicle.
Yeah, I thought about making peach popsicles with these. I really did. I think we'll do that. Maybe next week we'll do some homemade popsicles. You want to?
Yeah, can we make peach?
Yeah, we'll do peach.
And lemonade. We'll just have to get something else for the lemonade, and then we'll pour some lemonade into there. Since it's cherry lime, we get some cherries, freeze those into a popsicle shape. And then we get some limes, then we freeze those into a popsicle shape. That's how we're gonna make cherry lime.
Look at that. Those are perfect for peach ice cream. I'm just telling you, it's making me want to do peach ice cream instead. All right, we'll set those over there for now. In here, we're gonna put 1 cup of milk. Now we need a 1/4 cup of honey. I'm just gonna eyeball this. And a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. My coconut oil is at the moment a solid, so I'm gonna warm it up in the microwave for just a few seconds so we can pour it in. Need a little bit more. I'll go ahead and start mixing in the honey while that's melting down. And we're gonna need 1 egg.
I got it behind spot.
I forgot cleaning the microwave was also something I wanted to do today. Maybe I'll get to it later. All right, we need a teaspoon of vanilla. And we need 1/2 cup of applesauce. Okay, now we're putting 2 cups of old-fashioned oats. We need 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we'll add in the peaches. And we're gonna put some pecans, but you can do walnuts or you could just leave them out if you don't want them. I'm just gonna do about 1/4 cup. And these were pecan halves, so I'm just breaking them into smaller pieces as I put them in. Okay. This is really pretty with these peaches in there. They're such a pretty color. Okay, let me grab the baking dish. We'll go with this one. I'm gonna spray it with some cooking spray real quick. Okay, we'll spread it out. Okay, now we're gonna slice this peach. I'm gonna leave the peeling on this one. We're just gonna slice it and put it on the top. We'll just lay them around like this. Kind of like a little peach circle. Then we just drizzle a little bit of maple syrup over the top, and it's ready to go in the oven at 375 for about 30 to 35 minutes.
We didn't get a buggy because we thought we weren't going to need one. We were wound up getting more than we should, and we found this one, and I didn't want to push this one because I felt like people would look at me weird.
Yeah.
So, he's gonna
Basically me.
Yeah.
That's good.